I painted the same pear in 3 different paints, tempera, gouache and acrylic, and this time I'm turning this into a friendly little paint battle. I'm rating each one in 6 categories from color mixing to fun factor. Spoiler, the results surprised me. I'll be honest with you, tempera was the outlier here, and acrylic, let's just say we have a complicated relationship. Starting with color mixing on the palette, not on the paper. Well, it's not color mixing per se, because red and yellow makes orange in the 3 mediums. But how it is easy to mix the paint by itself on the palette. I'm using the exact same palette for the 3 and the same brush, so no difference here. And tempera actually surprised me. It mixed beautifully, super smooth. Acrylic was fine, but it dries on the palette, so you're on a timer. Gouache is okay, but not as effortless as tempera for this round. So I will give the point to tempera. Next, texture feel. Tempera felt kind of pasty. It's possible that my tubes are old, but it needed a lot of water. The paint was kind of thirsty, drinking a lot of water, and I ended up feeling more like thick watercolor than paint. Gouache had a nice texture, but it's very dependent on water ratio, and it requires a bit of mastery here. Acrylic was the most consistent. It just felt like paint the whole way through. You just squeeze your paint on your palette, dip your brush inside, and you're good to go. So I will give the point to acrylic. Now let's talk about blending the paint on the paper. Blending was okay with tempera. You can reactivate it a little if you work fast, but you have about a minute to do that. Gouache is perfect for blending. You can blend, smudge, use your finger, rework it days later, just fine. Acrylic, you have about 15 seconds to do that. After that, forget it, it's dry. So I will give the point to gouache. Let's talk about layering. If you are a lot into layering, this one is for you. All 3 can layer, but acrylic is a clear winner. It dries fast, it stays put, and it doesn't mess with your underlayers. Gouache and tempera, you have to be a bit more careful, especially with watery layers, because you will reactivate the layer underneath. So I will give the point to acrylic. Drying time. Wow, this one. Well, eventually they will dry in the same time. It's a matter of minutes because I'm using very thin layers and I am working in a small surface, so it's drying very quickly. Also, it's pretty hot today, no major complaints, so I will give a point to everyone. And last one, very personal. How fun was it to paint with? Tempera was surprisingly fun. It felt new, a bit unpredictable, but in a good way. Gouache is my go-to, so honestly, I'm a bit on autopilot here. I'm not really having fun anymore with gouache. Acrylic, well, it's my nemesis. I said what I said. So I will give the point to tempera. Okay, final scores. Tempera and acrylic tie with 3 points and gouache get 2 points. Oh my, gouache is not the winner here? That's weird. But here is the thing, none of this is scientific. It's just my way of seeing things. Today, with this specific painting, maybe tomorrow, painting something else, the results will be different. So if you're curious, try them all, play around, and discover which one you prefer. But remember, maybe your preference will last just for one day And the day after, it will be another medium. But that's the beauty of trying different mediums. So let me know in comments which one is your favorite and which one do you hate. You know what I said about the one I don't like. Don't forget to like the video so YouTube know it can spread it all over the world. Well, a girl can dream. Thanks for watching. Bye.